Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you guys how to take off the rear bumper 2017 Forester XT and put it back on. There is a bracket inside here connected to the frame of the car, and there's a bunch of little tabs connected to the bumper. There's also a push tab that looks like this. You got to pull this out and that helps release it from the fender. So this is the tab right here. I pulled this out of. That's what it looks like. That goes right here. There's a metal piece of metal back here that connects to this fender well. Pop that out. There's also tabs here. Okay. There's also a tab here and here. Right here. Also right here. And these tabs are a little bigger. They look like this. Okay. You'll pop these out. This will loosen up the bottom portion of the bumper. And you'll just repeat the same steps you did over here for these tabs on that side. Okay, they're the same. I went ahead and pulled them all out so you don't have to watch me pull these out. Next, you're going to start with the corner piece. You're going to start here with the corner. Make sure you kind of brace the bumper a little bit, and you're going to pull ever so gently, and it's basically releasing these tabs on the bumper from the bracket behind it. Okay. There's also 10mm bolts that are right here that you need to pull off. Pull that out, set it down. Same thing on the other side. Pull that out, set it down. I'm going to repeat the same step I did on that side over here. I'm going to start pulling this out. Okay, so that's completely released. I have all my tabs pulled out. So now it's time to go ahead and start. There's also a few tabs right here underneath the light. Just slowly wiggle that out. Same thing on this side. I'll grab over here and slowly just push towards myself. All right. And that released it from the bracket underneath the tail light, as you can see right here. Okay. You want to get a close-up of what these little tabs look like on the bumper. These are the tabs I'm talking about, and what each one of these tabs clicks into a place up here on the bracket, and that's what locks your bumper into place. So now we're going to get ready to lift this bumper off. Okay, it's completely loose and careful. And then we can just drop that bumper straight down. All right, so that's how you take the bumper off.